Hi, everybody. Welcome to step 3 of writing your argumentative essay. Your step 3, as advertised, is your explain part or your explanation. So on um, this template, it is this column right here, explanation for the first body paragraph, second, and third. And then on this template, you will find it after every one of your cite text evidence boxes, just like that. Okay. So what is the explanation of the essay? So I'm going to read this to you so you guys understand that there are two parts to this. So no matter how good your evidence is, it won't help your argument much if your reader doesn't know why it's important. Okay, so literally for this, this is how you are connecting the dots for your reader. If you don't give them the explanation, then even myself, as somebody who has read the articles, will be lost in how you made those connections and how you organize your thoughts and why your argument is so strong or why you really believe this. If you don't explain, I won't get any of that. And I also have read all of the sources, so that's saying something. Think about if somebody hasn't read them yet. Your 1 to 3 explanation sentences should answer these questions. So there's two things that we've always talked about that you guys have to do for your explain part in race. It's the same thing here. So the first thing is, what does the evidence mean? So why is that evidence significant? Basically put the quote in your own words and add your spin to it. And then the second thing is, how does that evidence support my argument or my claim? How does it support my reason that I put in that first or in my topic sentence? So those are you should at least have 2 sentences, one for each of those, if not a little bit more for the explanation. For this also, here are some sentence starters that you guys can use. The evidence shows, the evidence suggests, as a result of, for this reason, it can be concluded that, this shows that, this demonstrates, all of these can be used to explain your answer. And that is basically, in a nutshell, what explanation is. So make sure that you guys have at least 2 sentences in each one of your explain boxes, no matter what template you're in. Let me know if you guys have any questions.